अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषदेन सेंट झेवियर महाविद्यालयात केल्ल्या धरण्या आंदोलना उपरांत हळडूणचो आमदार कार्लोस फरेरान डीग ओमवीर सिंघा कागाळ करून ह्या प्रकरणात आशिल्ल्याचेर कारवाय करची असो आदेश कार्लोस फरेरान पुलिसांक दिला. शिक्षणीक संस्थांचेर अशें राजकारण जावंक उपकारना हाचो वायट परिणाम विद्यार्थ्यांचेर तशेंच शिक्षकांचेर जाता.
Frantically asking me for help at St Xaviers College, I realized and came to know that some people claiming to be members of ABVP, which is the youth wing of the BJP, had stormed into St Xaviers College in Mapusa and disrupted classes and were trying to infiltrate and probably create some law and order and disturbances and probably some violence. The teachers were panicky and the entire staff was worried. When I knew the gravity of the situation, I immediately called up the PI, who told me he had already gone to the site and visited. But nothing had been done till then, and therefore I was constrained to call Mr. Omveer Singh, our DIG, who immediately told me we will not tolerate such kind of things in educational institutions, and he promised me action. And I am glad to say that he kept his word and the situation was diffused immediately.